the ultimate choice for future travel. The new Shell Rooftop Camper. Explore the endless possibilities of nature. Introducing the revolutionary new Shell Rooftop Camper to you. The unique triangular design provides stability and extra interior space. Precisely engineered hinges ensure smooth operation. A spacious, bright entrance door with nearly 1.5 meters of height allows for easy access. Push open to adventure with our waterproof trapezoidal windows. Built with premium carbon fiber and an aluminum alloy frame, ensuring durability and lightness. Top-notch ventilation system and warm lighting enhance your comfort. Power up anywhere, charge at home, or with solar on the go. Embrace the wild while we shield you from the wild.